Welcome to Obello's how-to videos. In this video, we are going to show you how quick and easy it is to onboard into Obello and set up your company workspace. Once you've created your Obello account, you'll reach this screen, which is a bit of a fork in the road. If you're a fan of the Matrix, you'll understand and probably appreciate the red pill, blue pill reference. If you choose the blue pill, you'll skip onboarding and jump straight into the product. Your workspace will come preloaded with Obello's demo brand assets, so you can explore, experiment, and see how everything works. And then when you're ready, you can replace the demo assets with your own. Choose the red pill, and you'll go through our step-by-step onboarding flow, which we recommend for the best experience. If you already have your brand assets handy, you can complete onboarding and create your workspace in just a handful of minutes. For this demo, we're going to take the red pill, and we're going to go through the full onboarding flow. But before we jump in, let's just do a quick checklist of the things that you will need. The first thing is a PDF of your style guide or brand guidelines. And if you don't have one, don't worry, you can skip this step. You'll need your logo or logos. You'll need your brand fonts. You'll need your brand color hex values. You will need some brand photography. And just a note here, you will not need all your brand photography. Just a handful of images will do to get things set up. You can always add more photography in the future. And finally, some video content. Again, just a handful will do, and if you don't have video content, that's totally fine. So let's get into it. So step one, let's upload a PDF of your guidelines. You can either use our traditional file uploader, or you can drag and drop directly onto the window. So I'm going to select Start Onboarding, and I'm going to drag brand guidelines into the window. Again, if you do not have a brand guidelines, do not worry, you can skip this step. So what we are doing here is we're using AI to extract information from your guidelines, such as information about your brand and your company, your tone and voice, and design elements, such as your brand color palette. Great, continue. Step two is to upload your company logo or logos. Again, just drag and drop your logos directly into the window. We ask that you upload your logos as SVG files. The reason that we ask for an SVG file is that so we're able to change the color of the logo inside Obello. So with all of these assets, whether we're talking about logos or colors, images, videos, photography, you can always add more later. So this is just to get started. Step three, your brand fonts. Again, let's just drag them into the window. So we accept both OTF and TTF font types. Step four. Now, because we uploaded your guidelines in step one, we've already extracted and pre-populated your brand colors. So when we hit continue, you'll see them all here. Take a moment to look everything over. If everything looks good, just move along. Remember, you can always add more colors, you can rename colors, and you can categorize them inside of Obello. Step five, let's add some photography. Again, just a handful of images will do. There we are, looking good. And then on to the final step, video content. Again, if you don't have any video content, that is totally fine. You can always add some later. These can be MP4, M4V, and .mov files. And there you have it. That's it. Just a couple of minutes, literally. So when you've completed all of the steps, you'll get brought into the product. This is your brand assets homepage. And this is fully customizable. So you can go up here and you can select your colors, however you want to present your palette to your team in this homepage. You can choose different poster frames. You can choose different colors. It's fully customizable. So the logos that you uploaded are now in Obello. You can move secondary logos up to primary. You can rename these sections. You can do lots of things here. Your fonts that you uploaded, your colors, your photography, and your video files. We also have space for you to upload illustrations, any audio files that you have, and also a place to store your text. And that is it. That is onboarding into Obello. As you can see, it's super easy, and also it's a bit of fun. Okay, thanks everyone. Bye-bye.